Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we discuss the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the overall market so that you stay informed in the world of Web3. Today, guys, it's been an eventful week. We had the highs on Monday, coming back down right now, wondering where the CME gap will open for the weekend. But of course, it is Free Chippy Friday. As you can see, lots of people enjoying Chippy. We've got the official Chippy Twitter account back as well, which I will be showing you a little bit later as well. But as always, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to go into the comments as well. I want to see as many hashtag Free Chippy Fridays as possible. Let me know if you're getting a chippy as well. Let me know what altcoins you're looking at this week as well and what's your play for the weekend. But as always, guys, let's have a quick look at the markets first before we get into some news, and then we'll cover some more Memecoin content, some chippy content there as well. So let me just pull this up here, guys, for you. Let's head over to the markets page. Let's see what's going on here. So we've got Bitcoin. It was just below 64,000. It's now just crept above, but we were down at 63,000 there. Ethereum back down at 3,400. Solana is actually one of the only ones in the top 10 other than Toncoin here that is in the positive, staying above 160 there, 162. I had a really big pump actually earlier that I mentioned in the Discord that I was surprised to see as well. Let me just take that banner off there. But yeah, let's have a quick look at Solana here. I'm going to touch upon Solana actually a little bit later. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin, see what we're looking at here. Let's go onto the 1 hour chart. But yeah, Bitcoin's starting to creep down a little bit. I think for me, I think the CME gap opens around 63,500 down at these levels here, which may actually give us a little bit of room for some movement over the weekend. We've still got the CME gap open from last week as well, which is something to bear in mind. But yeah, let me know what you think on Bitcoin, guys. Let me know in the chat. Let's have a quick look at the chat, see what we've got going on right now. We've got Mataz, Solana survived an outage. We've got Graham, A up Spud, that's T sorted again. Yeah, every Friday. Yo, hope you're doing good. We've got Okar as well, afternoon. We've got Pokebert. Pokebert's always showing up. Big chippy holder. Love to see Pokebert. We've got Alex as well. Happy Friday, everyone. We've got Jordan with the Free Chippy Friday. Swords looking at Solana. Yeah, I think we're all looking at Solana right now. We all want to see that big push up towards $200. We've got Stuart. We've got the big dog. Guys, go follow Stuart. He's racing this season. Doing super well, so go give Stuart some support on Twitter, YouTube. I'm sure he's doing some videos as well, some cool content, racing content if you're into that. We've got Wizard of Alt here as well, heading for my Free Chippy Friday after this. Yes, that's what we like to see. We got Hugo. We got Stuart is saying he's in 100x long right now on Solana. You crazy man, I don't doubt it. We've got Bruce as well coming from down under. Good day. And we've got James as well. James being shadowbanned, I'll give you access to the moon indicator. Yeah, we'll talk about that on Twitter. I'm interested in your indicator as well. Cross-referencing it with Stonksy, always good to have more indicators. We got Trey, LFG, James here again. Let me know what the other is. And Oscar right now, short everything always. Thanks, guys. Good to see you all. Stuart, by the way, is saying he's not 100x long on Solana. I wouldn't doubt it from you, Stuart. You're a crazy man. We've got Stephen as well. Just eating my chippy. Yum. You better tweet it. I'll have a look at the Twitter in a bit, Stephen. So make a tweet and I'll rate your fish and chips along with the rest of the people here as well. And we've got Scott. Scott, good to see you. But let's head over back to the markets and let's talk about Solana. When everything else is down, Solana's staying up. Let's go onto the 1 hour chart here. We had a lovely pump up from 158 earlier, all the way up to almost 166, which is good to see. I think that's a local high. Yeah. So 166, if we push through there, I'd like to, if we go onto the day chart and zoom out a little bit, yeah, I'd like to see these. I'd like to see these levels again for sure. However, I think perhaps, these are all-time highs from the last bull run, guys, up at, just below 260 there. But these are some of the local highs here. So we just popped ahead over $200 here. I think around these levels here, 175 would be my next target for Solana to break through there and go from there, see what we say. But I'm not ruling it out. I'm not ruling out this $200 level. Let me know what you guys think. We do have an article actually talking about the bullish pennant forming on Solana. Could it lead to new all-time highs? So a bullish pennant appears to be forming on the Solana chart. Could this be the spark that sends the asset to new all-time highs? So traders on X have noticed a bullish chart formation emerging on the Solana price chart, which has led to anticipation of a price rally. Solana has been on an upward trajectory over the past few weeks, with the asset up 18.4% over the past week and 26.7% over the past 2 weeks. This uptrend has seen the asset reclaim the $160 level, a level which has lost at the start of June following the FUD surrounding the German Bitcoin and Mt. Gox sales was at its peak. So yeah, according to the traders on X, the bullish momentum may just be starting for the asset. So in a 18th of July X post, Crypto Busy, a trading account, stated "Sol, huge pennant on the 1D chart." So let's have a quick look. The key characteristics of a bullish pennant include a flagpole, a substantial, almost vertical price increase, pennant, a period of consolidation with converging trend lines forming a small symmetrical triangle, volume. Typically, the volume is high during the flagpole formation and decreases during the consolidation phase. An increase in volume usually accompanies the breakout from the pennant. And then the breakout. The price breaks out of the pennant in the direction of the preceding trend, usually with a sharp increase in volume, indicating a continuation of the upward trend. Traders typically look to enter long positions during the breakout, expecting the price to continue to rise. The target price can often be estimated by adding the height of the flagpole to the pennant's breakout point. Using this information, we can estimate that the breakout's destination could lead to Solana breaking through its previous all-time here. So look, here you can see the flagpole, here you can see the pennant, and that's where the proposed breakout could lead to, back above all-time highs there. So yeah, Solana could break through its all-time high and breach $300 if the bullish pennant plays out. Interestingly, in her assessment on the Solana chart, crypto trader Honey stated that the next target after 160 level is actually $192. However, she did state that if Solana did not sustain above 160, expect the asset to drop to 140. So yeah, I think we're going to hold above 160. It does depend what Bitcoin will do over the weekend and next week as well. Perhaps the final weeks of July could be a bit ropey, with some momentum, some growth towards the end of July. Often you see retail, they get paid their salaries, they start investing towards the end of the month as well. So perhaps, if we can stay above 160, I'm bullish on Solana. Perhaps if Bitcoin, goes back down to the 60,000, 59,000 level, perhaps we see Solana go back to 140. That's just my thinking right now. But yeah, the pump was bullish today. Let me know what you guys think. We've got Oka, we've got Justin in here. 114 is my expectation, and so are you actually going to be trading that short, or are you waiting with a long position at $114? Justin, let me know. So let's head over to the next news story of today, which is surrounding NFTs. So are NFTs dead? What are the key trends, and what do the experts think? I've got to say, if I was doing a stream a year or 2 years ago, I think a lot of you would have NFTs as your profile pics. And I'm looking through now, and a lot of people don't. And I know myself, for years I've had NFTs as profile pics on Twitter, on Telegram, etc. But right now, I'm rocking with my face rather than an NFT. Perhaps the trend has gone a little bit, because I'm not seeing any NFTs over here either. So let's have a look. Despite non-fungible tokens, NFTs witnessing a decline in sales volume during the second quarter of 2024, experts in the sector remain optimistic about the asset class returning to its previous prominence. According to data from CryptoSlam, June rounded off a rough second quarter for NFTs, with sales volume dropping 45% compared to the first quarter of 2024. The 6-month decline comes following a strong end to 2023, driven by performances in Q4 from Solana-based NFT collections on and Bitcoin ordinals. So we did see, when BRC20, when Bitcoin ordinals came out, we did see an influx of NFTs on Bitcoin, but that's also died off quite a lot recently as well. We saw, crazy volumes with ordinals kind of February, March, April, and that's just dropped off completely as well. And we can't, I think with Solana right now, more people are focusing on meme coins, whereas perhaps, a year, 2 years ago, Solana was the NFT chain. It's kind of gone to the meme coin chain now. But as it says here, despite the 6 months of downturn, there are reasons to be hopeful a reversal is on the cards. So talking to Cointelegraph, CEO of Web3 gaming platform Senate expressed confidence in NFT ability to rise again as more industries adopt the technology. He emphasized that renewed interest would follow improvements in user friendliness, stating, "Yes, I believe interest in NFTs can peak again, particularly as the technology and its applications continue to evolve. The initial hype phase was driven by curiosity and speculation, but the next peak will likely be driven by genuine utility and mainstream adoption." So NFTs are an extremely powerful token standard, and nothing has fundamentally changed about their utility or value. I believe we'll see trillions of dollars of value represented in NFTs over the next 10 years. A little bit hopeful there. Trillions of dollars with NFTs. Let me know what you think in the chat, guys. Let's have a quick look what people are saying. And I thought that was an NFT. Got to show off the beautiful face, Justin is saying. Yeah, I can't hide behind an NFT no more. Stuart says, maybe I'm the next NFT. But yeah, NFT trends to watch. So hybrid NFTs, yeah. So this new format builds on the ERC 404 standard to enable fractional ownership of NFTs, allowing investors to hold a small stake in high-value assets that would be otherwise obtainable. This is the thing. I think with NFTs, I think with future use cases, it's going to be less centered around the JPEG. Whereas before NFTs were very, community art driven, all of that. I think they're going to have to pivot and add some, better utility, better technology there. Like it says here, there is the technology and the capabilities of these NFTs for things like tickets and all, even tokenizing assets and things like that. But that can all be done with tokens as well. This is, NFTs are just tokens at the end of the day. So are they needed? I'm not too convinced, but let's have a look at what else we've got as well. There was a story here that I'm sure a lot of you want to see, which is Chippy. So fighting the cost of living crisis, Chippy's free fishy Fridays. So Solana-based meme coin Chippy is fighting back against the cost of living crisis that has sent the cost of fish and chips spiraling. Let me know how much your fish and chips cost, guys, in the chat. I've already had fish and chips. It's actually almost 7 p.m. where I'm at the moment. I had fish and chips for lunch, and it was out $5 out here. So I'm actually earning good money through Chippy every Friday. If I eat a Chippy and then I get the 3,000 tokens, which is towards $20 at the moment, I'm in the money, so I can't complain, and I get a free meal, which is good. But yeah, let me know how much a Chippy costs in your local area in the chat, guys, as well. But the exact origins of the British staple dish fish and chips are unknown. Chips arrived from France in the 18th century, but the fish aspect has a much less certain history. Mention of fried fish and bread appears in Charles Dickens' Oliver Twist, published in the 1830s. Furthermore, according to the Oxford English Dictionary, the earliest usage of chips in this context was in Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities. Guys, in hundreds of years, there's going to be articles about fish and chips, and Chippy's going to be on it. they go, was that the birth of fish and chips? But yeah, let's have a look, see what it says down here. Chippy to the rescue. However, one meme coin project is looking to change its outlook. Fighting back against the cost of living crisis is Fish and Chips, who are bringing the meal back to our plates. The easiest way to get your Fishy Friday is through the Solana-based meme coin Fishy Friday scheme, created by that Martini guy. Chippy has been feeding the community since its launch 2 months ago. Holding only 10,000 Chippy coins qualifies you for a free Chippy Friday. Simply submit your receipt to the team and they will reimburse you for your purchase. The team also runs regular events where they feed the community, which saw fish and chips. The two most recent events held in Nottingham and Halifax saw over 750 people claim a free portion of fish and chips paid by the team. So this is a really nice article, and it's a good one to send to your friends to perhaps explain what is going on with Chippy, because a lot of people do not understand. They're like, what? You buy a token, you get sent tokens, you get free fish and chips for free? How does that work? Send them this if they're not in the know. Send your mum, your dad, your granddad, your dog, your cat. Send them this article so they understand Chippy, guys. Let's have a look at the comments as well, see what the prices of Chippy is as well. We've got Hugo saying, I will be looking for some nice fish and chips in Macro. Ooh, did you go to Macro? Is it a bit like do they have like a hot section there? Can you get fish and I know, Hugo, you're from the Netherlands. Can you get fish and chips at takeaway? Is it something which is common enough? We've got Steve here as well. £9.95 lunch special, not bad for a lunch special. We've got Wizard of Old saying £7 in the work canteen. That's a steal. I hope you've onboarded all your colleagues, because I want to walk into your office, Wizard, and just see everyone eating fish and chips. I think that would be cool. Hugo saying, not sure if it's in macro, but it is fried there. Yeah, you've got to have it freshly fried. Shall we have a look at let's have a look at Twitter, actually, and then we'll have a look at the price of Chippy. So, guys, like I said, the original official Fish and Chips Twitter is back after a 2-week hiatus. Twitter were trying to shut us down for no reasons. But as you can see here, the pinned tweet, Free Chippy Friday, the first 250 holders will receive 3,000 Chippy. We'll have a look at how much that actually costs. If I'm doing some quick math, I can't do the quick math on that one. Probably around $50-$60, if I'm correct. We'll check that one out. Sorry, 10,000 tokens will be about $50-$60. 3,000 chippies probably about $15 to $20. So to claim your free fish and chips, buy fish and chips from anywhere, like the quote tweet, this post with Free Chippy Friday, include a photo containing a receipt. So guys, just to clarify this as well, you don't need all of these. A date or the chart is good enough. We quite like the chart. Also, though, it is always good to see the cash tag and the date as well. But as long as you've got one of those that we can confirm that it was from that day, so people don't game the system, that's all we need. So let's have a look at we've got good engagement here. Let's have a look how many quote tweets there are. Let's have a look at some of them, and let's give them a review. No quotes yet. That's not true, because I did one earlier. That can't be true. Don't know why that's coming up. Let's go on the hashtag instead. Sometimes it shadow bans them. Let's click on the hashtag. Oh, Hugo, you meant Morocco, not macro. Macro is a supermarket. Yeah, you're in Morocco right now. We got Wizard of Old -$16 at current prices. No, $16 at current prices, you mean. So yeah, let's have a look. We've got the Free Chippy Friday. We've got stock of a coin. Yeah, that looks a decent one. That looks like some shrimp there. I'll give that 5.8 out of 10. Maybe a little bit more, Could be a 6.2. Let me know what you think of that one in the chat, guys. We've got Buffett here as well. That one looks decent. Got J-Mac. He's having his fish and chips soon. Got Wizard's in the chat. We've got me there on stream. Whoa, too many spuds in one screen there. We've got Ski Patrol. Ooh, salad on the chips. This must be an international fish and chips here. Nice tartar sauce there, though. The salad, it's a bit of a kebab one. I've got to put that at probably about. The chips look good, though. I'm going to give it a 4.2. We've got Crypto Goku as well, celebrating Chippy Friday. This is actually from June 27th now. Nicholas as well, gone to the same one as Ski Patrol. They must be mates. Also with the salad, given that a 4.2, mate. And that's from a while back there. They're not. Let's go on the latest. That's my mistake there. Let this load. Yeah, we've got some good ones. Who's that? J-Mac finally got it with a can of Coke. Those chips look good. I will give that a 6.8. Adam, French fries, letting it down a little bit. I know I had French fries, but I'm in Thailand right now. Is that coleslaw? And that's the tartar. That's going to be a 4.5. Yeah, some good fish and chips here, guys. Keep them coming. Get your tokens. Let's have a look at the price of Chippy. Let's see what that's doing. It's just making me hungry. Looking at more fish and chips. Might have to go for another one later. I wonder if I get paid out twice. Only kidding, guys. But look, 5.4 million. Volume's up nicely as well. Let me check the volume down here. So where is it? I have to go on to the more alerts. And if we have a quick look at some of the holders here as well. But look, we started, some of the lows were at 2 million, even as low as, 1.8 million there. So if you caught this, and it was down here for a while, it was ranging, Dev was kind of, he's got a few things up his sleeves, and he was just letting the jeets out, letting some of the big whales kind of lose hope. and then it all started building up here as well. And guys, if you're looking for, the first point of any alpha, any information, is all in the CSE Discord. Let me see if I can show you the Discord. Let me pull it up. So if you're not already a part of the Discord, I know a lot of you are. I see a lot of familiar faces here. But the Discord is where all the alpha goes down. We've got different levels. We've got premium. We've got community there as well. Here we go. Let me share this tab. Can you see all good? Let me pull this down. Okay, yeah, let me show you, for anyone who's perhaps not in the Discord, let me share this tab. So here we go. Look, we've got loads of different sites. We've got all our news, tweets, YouTube, all the education pieces there, general chat, trading ideas, altcoin chat, degen zone. This is where you'll see me hanging out most of the time. Your browser has lost connection to your screen share audio. Try sharing your screen again. Can you hear me, guys? Is everything okay? It's coming up on the stream that saying my browser has lost connection. Should be okay. Let me know in the chat, guys, if you can still hear me and see me all good. But degen zone, this is where I hang out quite a lot. I actually did a call in here yesterday. I called Zexy. This was about, look, this is at 6 mil when I called it, and Zexy now is at 20 mil. So this, if you're in the Discord, this was yesterday at 11:41 p.m. 6 million. I called Zexy, and already it's up at 20 million, guys. So that's 4 or 5x. So if you'd put in $50, that would have paid for your premium membership for the month, just like that, from one trade. We've got the guys saying all good. We can hear and see you on the screen. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. We got Crypto Bash saying he had to sell 600k chippy in a loss, unexpected bill 2 days later it ripped. It's always the way, man. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, these bills, wish there was no debt. But yeah, let's have a quick look. We've also got the TMG Markets Insights as well. This is where TMG posts his first alpha, and this is where you're first going to hear it. He has a Telegram group. He has his Twitter, but this is really where the juicy information goes. I won't show too much on stream as well, because it is an exclusive. It is a private club here as well. We have a premium chat. We have a premium group. We also have airdrop potentials, pre-sale potentials, and also we've recently taken on Block Pro. Block Pro is often in the chat. A lot of you know him. One of the best traders going. Really good strategy. He covers a lot there as well. So he has his own section here, Ask a Trader. He also does one-to-one calls, as do myself. And also we do one premium AMA a week, and then bi-weekly we do the community town halls as well, guys. So if you want to join, I'm sure a lot of people in the chat here will recommend it as well. We do have a 10% discount going right now, which is CSE 10. But let's head over back to Dex Screener as well, because there's something else I wanted to show you, something that's come to my attention, which is Moonshot. So Moonshot is basically the new pump fund, and I'm excited to see how this goes because, as you can see, it's integrated into Dex Screener. They're working with a lot of the big names, and I think this is going to be the pump fund killer as such. I think there's going to be projects that come through Moonshot that are going to go on to multi-million, even billion-dollar market cap. And I think with the Dex Screener integration, I'm super excited to see how this goes. I really like the UX. I like the UI. I am talking to the team at the moment. And seeing what they're bringing out. They even put a tweet that kind of went through why Moonshot is better than Pump Fund and some of the other options on the market there as well. So look, Moonshot, it's now easier than ever to launch on Moonshot and send your tokens to Radium. Smoother, faster bonding curve, higher starting market cap, supported by all major trading bots and free enhanced token info. So the good thing with it being integrated with Dex Screener as well is it moves over to Dex Screener straight away, more likely to get on trending on Dex Screener as well. Most people use Dex Screener when trading meme coins. So this is a no-brainer for me. I will be using Moonshot from now on. Perhaps in another stream, we look for that next 100x meme coin, guys, and we go from there. That's all I have time for today, guys. Really nice. Thanks for joining the stream today. I will be seeing you back on Monday as well. So I think the Bitcoin CME gap's gonna open slightly lower today. But let me know what you think, guys. And as always, stay active. We'll see you in the Discord. Let's go. Woo!